Hello viewers, I want to let you know that I'm just here to guide and assist you in your Live Good journey. Shout out to Annette of United Kingdom and Isidro of United Arab Emirates. I suggest that you don't just stop in your pre-registration. Click on the Join Now button and build a legacy to your family. Nothing is permanent in this world, and while Live Good is still here to help us realize our dreams, let us grab the opportunity. Let's be real, nobody wants to leave our family behind without them having something to get by. We don't want them to be emotionally lost of our passing, and we also don't want them to be financially burdened by the expenses we've left behind. So my advice after enrolling yourself is to also enroll the people closest to you. To those who have already embarked in this journey, if you have any problems, just send me a message anytime and I will answer you the best I could. Just have that laser focus. Don't stop. Keep on sharing to people because there are still a lot of people out there who needs to hear this very wonderful and exciting opportunity. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button and also tap the notification bell so you are updated and leave your comments or questions so I could assist you. Also, I want to emphasize, just call me Neri. That's enough for me. I am not a fan of titles. We are all equal and I want it to be that way. I won't be introducing myself as a coach, as an engineer, or someone who has a degree in so and so, who has a rank of this and that, who is an expert in this major for 20 years or so. I am just an ordinary person, just like you, who wants to build a better life by helping people build theirs. This is not a competition. I can just remember how people during those times think that if you fail in school, you will fail in life. That's a very trivial thing to say. So yes, we are not defined by our titles. We all have our common goal and we can achieve that by working as a team. Wherever you are, let's build this legacy together. I will meet you one of these days, God permits. Wherever you are in this part of the world, we'll sip some drinks someday and laugh at the hardships we've overcome, celebrate the triumphs we have. Okay, let's dive into our topic. Why maintaining your Live Good subscription membership is important. But first, let me tell you that there are two kinds of membership in Live Good. One is affiliate membership with subscription, and number two is subscription membership. The affiliate membership with subscription is the $40 you pay, one-time membership fee, the 9.95 for the first month of your membership. So the total initial cash out, if you want to join Live Good, is $49.95. That is less than 3,000 in pesos. Okay? Now this allows you to do Live Good as a business. That includes 3 replicated website domains with your username, team support, and no monthly sales quota and enrollment or recruitment required. When you enroll, you are not forced to buy a product. No products will be given to you. Unlike other networking companies wherein entry packages are at a very steep price, here at Live Good, you only have to pay $49.95 in order to do the business. There is no monthly sales quota and enrollment or recruitment required. No need to worry about shipping and inventory. It's just like drop shipping. The company will do that for you. 90-day money-back guarantee. Just return the empty bottle. No questions asked. This is true for members and non-members alike. Join in the compensation plan and earn 7 ways. Number 2 is the subscription membership. So subscription membership is 9.95 monthly or 99.5 yearly. This allows you to purchase the products at members price or up to 75% discount. So that's all it does, the subscription membership. Other companies won't divulge or tell you about their membership price upfront, but we in Live Good, we tell you directly how much is the membership price because it's really very affordable. Also, because of the subscription, the company is able to give the products at a very affordable cost to its consumers because they are not getting the commissions from the product sales. They are getting the commissions from the subscription of each members. Sometimes people just want the passive income. There are a lot of people attracted to the notion of earning without selling or enrolling. We are just going to tackle this specifically today. Here are the frequently asked questions on subscribing without selling or enrolling people. What if I stop my subscription? If you stop on your subscription, you lose your position in the power line or matrix together with your part in the compensation plan. You cannot also avail the products at members price. Let's just say, for example, this is you and you cancel your subscription. Malalaglag ka po sa matrix, okay? This person will go up there, magko-compress yung matrix, napakalaking matrix niyan, hindi lang yan ganito. This is just an example. So magko-compress, whoever is under you will go up. That's all. And you will no longer have a position in the power line or in the matrix. Next question, can I still go back as a member? Yes, of course, you can still go back as a member. You can continue your subscription and pay only the $9.95 monthly because the 40 affiliate membership fee is a one-time fee. Once you are an affiliate, you are an affiliate for as long as the company exists. Number 3, so how much will I earn as an unranked member? You may earn up to $2,048 monthly. That is gradual until your matrix is full. So back natin. So for example, this is your matrix. Once your matrix is full, you will be able to receive the $2,048 in full. But since this is gradual, paunti-unti yung pasok ng tao, paunti-unti mo rin matatanggap muna yung iyong commission. Hindi siya buo agad. Sinabing gradual is paunti-unti. Okay? Number 4 is, how long will I have to wait to earn? Ang iba kasi, di ba, they're so madaling mainip. Very impatient. Just imagine your capital is only 9.95 monthly and then inip ka na makuha yung return ng iyong 9.95. It's not that simple. The answer is depends on how fast your team enrolls people. Some earn within 3 months. It may last up to 1 to 3 years or even 5. There is no definite answer to this. So gusto ko lang ipakita itong levels na to. Ito yung tinatawag na 2x15 matrix monthly commission. For the matrix, pag umabot ka ng diamond, until level 15, pwede mong kitain. Gold and platinum 14, bronze and silver level 13. But for the unranked, you can earn up to level 12. So, dito kinukuha yan, yung 2,047 or 48 monthly. Pag napuno na yung matrix mo, it would take some time. But mas maganda, pag gagawin mo talaga yung business, mata-times to yung iyong earnings. For bronze and silver, mata-times to yung $2,048 mo, magiging 4. Tapos, pag gold and platinum, 8. 16 na sa diamond. And that's just only the monthly matrix commission. Meron pang tinatawag na matching bonus which is 50% ng lahat ng kinita nung under you. And meron pang tinatawag na fast start. 50% also ng lahat ng in-enroll mong tao. The earnings in this company is really big if you will just treat it as a business. So let's go to the next. I will just show you itong computation na to for halimbawa lang. Kasi hindi naman siguro aabutin ng 5 years bago ka kumita. Okay? This is regarding dun sa mga ayaw mag-enroll or mag-recruit ng tao. Computation for 5 years maximum. 9.95 na binabayaran mo monthly times 12 for 1 year. So that is 119.4. Times mo siya into 5 years, that would be $597 ang nagasto mo in 5 years by just maintaining your monthly subscription. Now, pagdating ng 5 years, doon na puno yung matrix mo. Pero nakaka-receive ka na unti-unti ng earnings. Hindi lang siya buo. So, nung napuno yung matrix mo, saka mo natanggap yung $2,048. I-less mo ngayon yung nagasto mo nung past years, that is 597, kumita ka pa rin ng 1,450, diba? Where can you find that? Hindi mo yan makikita in any subscription company. Dito kasi sa Pilipinas, ang kilalang-kilala talagang subscription company is yung Netflix because a lot of people are fond of watching movies. So yung Netflix, nagbabayad ka monthly, pero hindi ka nila babayaran naman in cash in return. Ang ibibigay nila sa'yo is yung service. But this one, this company, magsusubscribe ka, makaka-avail ka ng products at a very low cost, and at the same time, pwede ka pang kumita. So, pag natanggap mo na tong 2,048 monthly, marireceive mo na yan continuously monthly. And I just want to tell you na yung update is umabot na ng 7,000 plus yung paid subscribers ng Live Good. And I will just want to show you this. Ito for example this one, ito yung tinatawag na Powerline. I joined June 13. Up to now, that is 98 days. 500 or 678,000 members have joined after you in the Powerline. After ko mag-enroll, ito na yung nag-enroll na members. 504,678 divided by 98 days. So, ang sumasali araw-araw is more than 5,000 people. Under pa lang to nung Powerline ko. Hindi ko alam yung Powerline ng iba. Dito sa Powerline ko, umaabot ng more than 5,000 people ang sumasali daily. So, imposible namang within 5 years hindi ka abutin ng flow or ng spillover doon sa Matrix. I'm just showing you this because I want you to see kung gaano kaganda itong opportunity na to, and I want you to grab it. Kasi if in case na meron kang malaking family, isama mo silang lahat and all of you will earn together. Isipin mo magkano yung binabayaran mo sa SSS, magkano yung binabayaran mo sa GSIS, so that when you retire, meron kang makukuhang pension. Magkano binabayad mo monthly? 600? 600 plus? I don't know kasi I'm not an employee, so ganon ang binabayaran mo. But when you retire, how much are you going to get? 1,000 plus? 2,000? 3,000? So napakaliit nun. Unlike ito, pinagtiyagaan mo ng 5 years. Yung iba nga 3 months lang kumikita na eh. I-maximize na natin into 5 years. Malaki ang kikitain mo kasi in pesos that is 110,000 plus. And that is monthly. For me, maliit yon. Kung gusto mo talagang lumaki yung kita mo, gusto mo talagang mag-iwan ng malaking halaga para sa family mo, gawin mong business ang Live Good. This will be very beneficial not only for you, but for your family. The wise will see this as an opportunity. The skeptics will remain skeptics. The haters will remain haters. Hindi mawawala yan sa mundo. Merong mga ganyang tao. Ang tanong ko sa iyo is, which one are you? That's all for today. See you again next. And if you want to join my team, the link is in the description below. Thank you very much. Bye!